Hello students, in this video let us discuss one more question that is from JEE Main January session. So here the question is, the compound P on reaction with NaO to HCl 0 to 5 degree centigrade is nothing but diazotization, and that diazone salts on reaction with beta naphthol in the presence of basic medium will get the colored compound. That means the colored compound means here that is the azo compound. Okay, and next here bromine H2O will get the tribromo compound. So these are the options. So you should identify the reactant P. So in this reaction so here this is the colored compound. So colored compounds are produced by the diazone salts, and diazone salts are produced by the only primary amides. So option D is the incorrect option. Okay, because here diazo compounds are produced from the diazone salts. Diazone salts are produced from the only aromatic primary amides. So that answer may be among ABC. And if coming to this reaction, bromine water, on reaction with bromine water, we will get the tribromo product. Okay, tribromo product. For example, here this compound on bromination, gives only dibromo compound. So because here the simple aniline on reaction with bromine water will get the tribromo product. For example, here this aniline on reaction with bromine water, we will get the tribromo product. Why? Because that NH2 is a strong donating group, and here this bromine is polarized by the H2O polar solvent. So in this case here tribromination takes place. But in this one the para position is blocked by the methyl. So remaining two ortho positions are vacant, so Br plus alkyl attacks at this position. So you'll get the dibromo product. This is dibromo product. Okay, in this compound only two bromines are present. Now here, if coming to this one, this is the metatoluidine. Okay, this is metatoluidine, this is paratoluidine, this is orthotoluidine. This one on bromination, two ortho positions and one para position are vacant, that means empty. So that Br plus alkyl successfully attacks on the ortho and para positions, we will get the tribromo product. And its molecular formula C7H6 nitrogen and Br3. And if you brominate this compound, you will get the only dibromo product, because one ortho position is filled by the methyl and remaining one ortho position is vacant. So Br plus alkyl attacks at ortho position and para position. So you will get the dibromo product. So here only this compound gives a tribromination product. Of course, this one also gives a tribromo product on bromination. Okay, this one also gives, that means NHCH3 is also strong activating group, and here strong activating group Br plus alkyl attacks at ortho positions and para positions. So in this case also we will get the tribromo product, but we will get the tribromo product. But here the molecular formula of this compound is not coincide with this compound, because the product contains 7 carbons only, but in this case the product contains 8 carbons, 6 carbons from the benzene, and this methyl 1 carbon and this methyl 1 carbon. Totally this contains 8 carbons. So here finally answer is B. And here what is the product of this reaction? That means the first reaction. So here the finally we decided that reactant is NH2 and CH3. So this one reaction with NNO2 and HCl at 0 to 5 degrees centigrade low temperature, we will get the diazonium salt. That means here N2 plus and Cl minus, here CH3. Okay. Now here this compound on reaction with beta naphthol in the presence of the basic medium. Okay, the coupling of phenols takes place in the presence of basic medium. Okay, why? Because that OH minus remove the H plus from this one, that O minus becomes a highly activating group. That means OH becomes a highly activating group. Okay, so here in this case the diazotization takes place, this N2 plus alkyl attacks at this position, so we will get the colored compound. That means here OH Here in this case N double bond N, and this is the benzene, and this is the at the meta position methyl. This is the colored compound actually. Okay, so in this case here, uh, at this one the hydrogen H plus replaced by this N2 plus, so there is an aromatic alkoxy substitution reaction. Okay, the formation of the colored compounds, the coupling reactions involves aromatic alkoxy substitution reaction. Okay, that is one more important point. Okay, phenols coupling takes place in the presence of basic medium. For example here, this one on reaction with aniline. Okay, this N2 plus attacks at the para position. So here the product is like this. So here meta position methyl, this is N double bond N, and this one NH2. This is also colored compound. Okay, here in this case it is also colored compound. So here in this case the coupling of the aniline takes place in the presence of the slightly acidic medium. That means here pH you have to maintain 4 to 6. Here in this case weakly basic medium, the pH you should maintain between 9 to 10, 9 to 11 most. Okay, it is a coupling of the diazonal salts. The coupling of the diazonal salts takes place in the that means in the presence of basic medium for phenolic compounds. It takes place in acidic medium for the amine compounds. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.